I decided to run a live mini Zoom group class where we're gonna meet and I'm gonna teach you how you can create your own membership program, coaching program, for which you charge $97 per month to other people. And I'm gonna show you how you can create your own membership coaching program offer, how to combine your course, your community group coaching calls into it, charge for it $97 per month, and I'm gonna show you then a path through which you can enroll the first 5 people paying you $100 per month, so you can start having a recurring income, and then you're gonna be able to go from 5 to 10 to 30 to 50 and so on. Right now I'm gonna give you a quick insight into what the workshop class is gonna be all about. We're gonna meet for an hour on a group class here with me via Zoom. After you register, you're gonna get a Zoom link, you're gonna add it to your Google Calendar, so when the time of the workshop happens, you come in, we meet one another, and we get to know each other at first, right? I want you to bring one main question that you're gonna have for me, that you're gonna be able to ask me, of a challenge, right, that is on your way right now, of why you wouldn't be able to build a coaching program, a membership program for which you charge $100. Any kind of question you would have, I want you to bring it to our live class. If you don't know where you're gonna find people, if you don't know how to approach marketing, if you don't know how to even decide on what your program is going to be all about, how to create a curriculum around it, how much to charge for it, any kind of questions you would have, write the question down and bring it to our live session. And then you're going to state it to me on a live group call in the chat, or you're going to ask it live to me and I'm going to answer that question. The main topic that we're going to cover at our session is, at least at the beginning, right, why is it good to run a membership program? And I'm going to provide you with an answer that running a membership program allows you to have a recurring income. The money that comes in every month, it's also more affordable for other people to pay to be inside of your course, your community, your coaching, group coaching calls, right? And people can stay for longer. So it allows them to stay for longer and they have more time to work on achieving that certain outcome that you deliver to them as part of your program. Now, running a membership program also allows you to serve a group of people at the same time, so it requires less of your personal time for you to serve more people, so you can scale more, and on a weekly basis you are not that busy. You just do like 2 group calls per week, and every day then you chat with your members in the community section and all sorts of other small things that you on a daily basis, but it's not like you have 5 one-on-one calls per day. No, you just do like 2 weekly group coaching calls. And on our group class, I'm gonna remind you of these benefits, and then we're gonna move into you deciding on what your membership program is gonna be all about. What kind of outcome are you gonna deliver to other people? That's the first thing that I want you to think about when you're trying to build a program for which you can charge $100 per month, right? What is that you're gonna help other people with? And probably within you, within your soul, you already have certain answer, right? You are probably good at something. I usually mostly work with, let's say, life coaches who help others improve in life, lose weight, improve their mindset, emotions, spiritual growth, right? You could be good at something that you can share with others and help them in that regards, right? I'm gonna then show you how to put a price point of $97 per month or less or more on to that outcome, and how to put some inclusions into this offer, the course, the community, the group coaching calls, and we're gonna create your offer. After you're gonna have your offer, we're gonna discuss where to host your membership program. I'm gonna share with you an app called Skool that I use and you can use to host your membership program. Skool is simple. It allows you to have your course, your community, your coaching calls there, and it allows you to charge your members very simply, and you can manage all of your members in one place, and they are paying you the subscriptions through this one app. It's a game changer. It's the simplest thing for you to have in place to be able to then grow even further and manage it all, right? The third thing then I'm gonna teach you is how to approach signing the first 5 members, how to go about building a list of interested people through content creation, writing some people down, and then how to talk to them, right? The main method that you should master of how to sign the first 5 members into your program is knowing how to connect with people on a personal level, talk to them, right? Of course, first attract people, come to you and express interest that they would want to be guided and coached by you, but then how to talk to them and get them started into your membership program. Talking to people, I mean more like, hey, how can you get them from social media into, let's say, DM or email replies or chats, and then on a quick call with you so you can enroll them into your membership program, right? That's the main method through which I subscribed my first 20 people, getting them to pay me $97 a month. I simply went to talk to people first, and that's what I want to teach you, how you can master being an authentic, real person and with a goal that you really will help people. These are the 3 steps that I'm gonna introduce you to on our live workshop group call. You're gonna be able to create your membership program offer, open a Skool app to host your program, and learn how to sign the first 5 people paying you $100 per month. Make sure to click the link down below, register for the session, add it to your Google Calendar, and we're gonna meet. And don't forget to bring your main question that you're gonna state toward me, and I'm gonna reply that question to you, and I'm gonna help you out. This Zoom group call is an interactive session. It's not gonna be a lot of us. It's a free class, of course, but I expect only a few people who we're gonna really connect on a personal level, and we are gonna make a plan for your growth. And I cannot wait to hear your questions, because I love to connect with people and help out, and we're gonna get you on the right track to start being paid for your coaching services and have a recurring income that comes in every month. Take action right now, and I am gonna see you soon on our live session. Bye.